Hi guys, in this video we will learn about what is the difference between system testing and acceptance testing. System testing is done to check whether the software or product meets the specified requirement or not. Acceptance testing is a type of testing which is used to check whether the software meets the customer requirements or not. System testing is used by developer as well as tester. Acceptance testing is used by tester, stakeholders as well as clients. It is a both functional or non-functional testing. It is a constitute of alpha and beta testing and only functional testing. System testing is done before the acceptance testing. Acceptance testing is done after system testing. System testing is to constitute of positive as well as negative test cases. Acceptance testing is done in the constitute of positive test cases. In system testing, system is checked for dummy inputs. In acceptance testing, system is checked for random inputs. It is performed by the system testing is performed by QA or test engineer. The acceptance testing is performed by clients, business stakeholders and UAT team. Environment for system testing similar to production by managed by QA. Environment for acceptance testing pre-production or staging server. Outcome expected for system testing. All integrated modules should work together as well as expected. Outcome expected for acceptance testing. The client gives a go or no go for production deployment.